This is a Storm Team Alert, certified as Central New York's most accurate.
4:14 on this Friday afternoon, and lake effect snow has begun its trek to the south. Let's zoom in, take a closer look at where some of the worst of the weather is right now. Watertown, the snow lightening up, but some moderate to heavy snow just to your south toward Adams, Pulaski over to Redfield, as well as Oswego, Mexico, near Hastings, Amboy, Florence, Camden, getting close to Vienna. Likewise, back out toward the northeastern corner of Oneida County as well. Western up toward Boonville, some light to moderate snow in southern sections of Lewis County at this hour too. That snow will continue its trek to the south, approaching the Syracuse area thruway corridor by about 7 o'clock or so this evening, and then continuing to move a little bit farther south, setting up shop near and south and west of Syracuse as we head through tonight in a much lighter and a weakened state. Some light snow showers also continue south of Syracuse down toward Ithaca, Cortland, Tully as well. Let's talk about temperatures. It's cold. Temperatures have dropped through the teens as we've gone through the day. 14 now in Syracuse. It's 9 in Rochester, 6 degrees in Buffalo. You factor in those gusty winds, 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Syracuse, over 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts in places like Rome. It feels largely sub-zero across the area. 4 below in Syracuse and Rome. Those are the current wind chills. Feels like 10 below in Fulton at this hour, 13 below to the west in Buffalo. So as those actual air temperatures get close to zero late tonight into early tomorrow morning, we anticipate those wind chill values by the time you start the day on Saturday to be somewhere between 5 and 15 degrees below zero here in Syracuse. But look off to the north and east. Pulaski feeling more like 20 below first thing tomorrow morning, 30 degrees below zero. The wind chill expected tomorrow morning first thing up in Lowville. That's why cold weather advisories are posted across most of central New York, including Onondaga County from 7 this evening through 10 a.m. tomorrow. Wind chills as low as 25 below. Extreme cold warnings farther to the north and east. Jefferson, Lewis, northern Oneida County up into the far north country and the Adirondacks. Wind chills there in the dark blue shaded zones, 30 to 40 degrees below zero. Make sure if you have to be out, bundle up. And of course, remember the pets limit their exposure outside as well. Quick trips out and right back in as we head through tonight and into the day tomorrow. Timecast, let's take you through the story with the lake effect snow. Where is that headed? Well, again, as I mentioned, moving farther to the south, close to the thruway corridor, Syracuse area by about 7 o'clock this evening. We're going to continue to gradually weaken and kind of break up in coverage a little bit late this evening into the overnight as well between Syracuse and the Finger Lakes. Few snow showers and flurries continuing by the time we start the day on Saturday. New snowfall amounts, the most persistent snows near and especially south and west of Syracuse, from Sodus to Waterloo, Auburn, Skinny Atlas, Tully over to Cazenovia, near and just north of Cortland. Talking about an additional 2 to 4 inches of new snowfall from 7 this evening to 7 tomorrow morning. That's where we pick up the timecast first thing tomorrow. Single digits above and below zero here in terms of the air temperatures in Syracuse. Feeling even colder here across central New York tomorrow morning. Maybe a few lake effect flurries, lighter snow showers hanging out up toward the southern shore of Lake Ontario during the day. But by and large, we are mainly dry, just frigid, with even a few intervals of sunshine as we take you through the day on Saturday. We are still relatively quiet Saturday evening and Saturday night. Then here comes our Sunday nor'easter, starting to roll in across the southern tier with some widespread snow by early Sunday morning, getting into the Syracuse area by noon, spreading farther north, going deeper through our Sunday afternoon. And that snow could fall moderately to heavily at times. The heaviest of the snow Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, 1 to 2 inch per hour. Snowfall rates tapering to snow showers by the time we get into Monday. Snow amounts that we're expecting have gone up, now anticipating a wide swath, including Syracuse, of 12 to 18 inches of snow from 8 a.m. Sunday morning until midday Monday. Snow tapers to snow showers. Still cold here. Teens on Monday, Christie. We've got temperatures staying in the teens right through next week.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.